Hello aspiring bloggers. Welcome to Blogging 101, Mastering the Art of Online Writing. Today, we will dive deep into the world of blogging, teaching you how to start, grow, and profit from your very own blog. So, what is blogging? Simply put, blogging is a form of online writing where you share information, experiences, and insights on a specific topic. But why blog? Blogging allows you to share your passion, interact with a global audience, and yes, even earn money. Blogs are versatile platforms for online businesses, influencers, hobbyists, and more. Let's move to the key steps in starting your own blog. Step 1. Choose your niche. Picking a niche you're passionate and knowledgeable about is essential. Your niche should also have a good audience size and potential for profitability. Step 2. Select a blogging platform. WordPress, Blogger, and Wix are popular choices. Each has its own pros and cons, so pick one that best suits your needs. Step 3. Set up your blog. This involves choosing a domain name, selecting a theme, and customizing your blog's appearance. Step 4. Create engaging content. Keep your audience in mind while writing. Incorporate a mix of personal stories, useful information, and eye-catching visuals. Finally, promote your blog. Share your posts on social media, network with other bloggers, and consider using SEO strategies to reach a wider audience. Now, let's talk about money. Monetization can come through various channels such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, advertisements, and selling your own products or services. Remember, successful blogging is a journey. Stay consistent, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you for joining us in this blogging tutorial. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy blogging!